Hello, today I'm going to introduce to all of you is how to enter purchase order and also convert your purchase order PO into supplier invoice when you receive the supplier invoice. So you don't do duplicate things again. So go to purchase, enter purchase, click this bill. By default it will be bill. Change to order, select your supplier and key in the quantity. Order is quantity, maybe 100 pieces of apple. Remember the tab button to select the item, and you can change the price at here. Maybe this time is $1, and straight away you can print out as a PO. Click print, preview. The system will ask you record first, and this is the default format. Okay, let's zoom in. If you got engage our service to do the design form for you, you were able to see your company name at here, and for example ABC PO, and choose your company name and the PO as the forms that you want to print out, and click OK. And maybe a few days later the stocks comes in and with the supplier invoice, and you go to purchase registered, go to order, find back the particular PO, select it and change to bill, and key in the supplier invoice number and also the date, and everything will be the same. You don't need to do the duplicate work again, like rekey the supplier invoice. Thank you, and click record. That's all. Thank you.